welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is HoliDIY'S and I'm so excited because this year we have 25 DIYs of Christmas for you guys. Whether it's from me, my takeover team, my kids, we have 25 fun crafts for you to do, whether they're holiday themed or just fun that you can make during your Christmas break, or that you could make and give somebody this year. We're also gonna be ending the series with a fun, free planner printable for you guys. So check out on Christmas Day. You don't have to watch it on Christmas Day because you probably wanna be with your family, but it'll be available from Christmas to New Year's for you guys to download and print out and get ready for the new year. And we'll also have a fun new product launch I'm excited about to show you guys. So that'll come out Christmas Day, but again, you don't have to watch it on Christmas Day. You can watch it the next day or the next day, you know, that lull in the season when everything's kind of wrapped up and you're just kind of like, what do we do with our lives? We're gonna watch Auntie Tay's last video and we're gonna get our free printable planner. So I love you guys. Let's get going on this series. I'm super excited for it. And today we are having a printable Christmas planner for you guys right now. So enjoy your printable Christmas planner and how to use it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, it's that time of the year for our Christmas planner, or our planner series to start coming out soon because it's almost the new year. And I picked out this printable planner from one of our printable partners, and it is available for free to our members, and it's also available to purchase from Etsy. If you'd like a link, it's in the description. But it comes with 2 months, some recipe cards, a party guest list. If you're like us, we love to holiday party it up. So I printed extra sheets of this. The online shopping tracker, I'm not huge on presents for Christmas, but I do end up spending a lot on different things. The holiday to-do list, we all know that that can get pretty lofty. The holiday party planner, I definitely focus more on parties than I do gifts for my family, just because I feel, yeah, I printed out 5. Okay, don't judge me, but we have a lot of parties because I feel like it just really makes the holiday more fun and memorable instead of buying tangible gifts. And then this is the Christmas gift tracker. And I did print out a couple of these because I do like to get gifts for people. I don't go extreme above and beyond, but I do like to get gifts for other people. And then the shopping list and the budget tracker. So I loved this printable and I was super excited about it. Oh, and the bucket list. Can't forget the bucket list because you got to have the Christmas bucket list. So I could not film what was in this, but I'm gonna make a cute little doodad for this to hang during the Christmas season in our new kitchen, because I'm all about making cute things for the new kitchen because it is the one area of my house that is completely renovated and I'm super excited about. So let's get this thing back in order and we're going to put it on something cute. They have actually a couple cover pages as well, so feel free to print out the other cover pages. All right, so I got this big old clunky clothespin. I have a box of clothespins. Don't judge me. I keep them on hand. It's like one of my staples. I love clothespins, and whenever they're on clearance, I just buy them, and they're fun for painting painting them. So then I found this cool Christmas tree wood thing from Hobby Lobby, and I don't regret buying it, but it was probably more expensive than I needed to buy it. You could probably find something like this at the thrift store, honestly. But I just hot glued my clothespin on and clipped my Christmas planner in there and it's good to go.